Oh yeah, day after Valentine's Day, your boy's out here on the smoker. You know what time it is. Your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah, we doing it. So I posted a picture on my Instagram page showing what I was preparing for this morning. Nice pork shoulder. Check this bad boy out. I got it seasoned up, and I definitely injected it. But I injected it with like this tropical fruit juice. You know, something different. I wanted to check it out, see what it's about. Definitely was going to inject it. You know, it's a good thing to inject your pork. Always remember that, especially if you got a big piece. But check out what I got going. So here she is. Yeah, nice and rubbed down. You know, I put what I rubbed it with in the description of the channel. Very quick, simple little rub. I'm pretty sure everybody got that already in their cabinet or something similar. But yeah, I injected it with this tropical fruit punch, and I bet that's gonna make it amazing. So we got the girl purring, as you can see. Yeah, she's nice and smoky. We're running on that Kingsford apple right there. Yeah, check that out. That's what we're running on. Yeah, Applewood for the poke. And down there I got my veggies, onion, little lemon, some cilantro, green onion, celery, and some thyme down in there. And then I put about a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and then just fill the rest up with water. All right, let's get this bad boy loaded. So I'm actually trying a different technique. It ain't new. Usually I smoke my shoulders meat side up, but today I'm going to do it meat side down because I want all this fat in here to render and baste the meat. So I'm going to leave it out here for a few hours, and then I'm going to flip it over, and then we're going to let the dogs out and get the barking going on. Yeah, so I'm going to come out here, check it in about an hour, see what my coals is looking like. And the combination of this juice and the seasoning smells amazing. So it's going to be good. I'm going to leave this bad boy out here for a few hours. And actually I'm going to check it in about an hour, like I said. Check the coals, add some more, and just keep a nice good amount of heavy smoke pouring into this bad boy, beating her down while all this up in here renders out and bastes the meat. Then we're going to flip it and get to spraying. Alright, back in a minute. So while in between cooks, while this meat is out there smoking, and my daughter cries in the background, I don't know why, but hey, kids. I went on ahead and hooked up Italian sausage chilaquile. Took some Italian sausage, took it out the case, broke it down, put some corn tortillas up in there, crumbled up, sauteed all that up, added a half a stick of butter, and about 8 eggs. Yeah. So this is pretty good. Came out all right. Italian sausage chilaquile. Something real quick. All right. Back to the pork. All right. Yeah. So it's been about an hour, and everything going good down in there. Coals is looking good. I added some more Kingsford Applewood. Yep. Let's get a little peek. Hour in, fat side down. Oh yeah. That's coming along fine. I think I'm gonna start spraying right up in here, all around here. Yeah, I'm gonna start spraying on that. That's looking a little, you know, it'll start to look a little dry. It's time to add a little moisture. So we're gonna keep it going, but I'm gonna spray this bad boy down with that tropical fruit punch to create that crust and to reinforce that sweetness that I injected it with. Alright, you know the deal. Back in a minute. Alright, so it's about 2 hours. And within that after the first hour, I've been spraying like every 30 minutes. It's already sprayed twice, and coming along fine. You know, this little spritz right here definitely helped out right in here where it was looking a little dry. But as you can see, this tropical fruit punch here definitely did it some justice. Yeah, so it's about 2 hours, you know, and you know, went and got tatted up. Yeah, real quick tattoo from my daughter. Yeah. Okay, so it's about 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours of straight smoke. And I added a couple pieces of that regular Kingsford down there. Recyclables right there. Always recycle, people. Get back your CRV. So wherever you live at. In California, get back your CRV. Anyway, I had a couple pieces of this regular Kingsford in there. Just with some savory smoke, along with that sweet applewood down there. So let's see what we got at 4 hours of smoke. Fat side up on the pork shoulder. Of course, I've been spraying with the tropical punch juice. I will show you, it was on a discontinued thing at the store, so I guess they're not going to be stocking it anymore. So it was on sale, and it's really good. So I hope to find it somewhere else. But it's been doing its justice. Look at that. I mean, that definitely got a little bark going. And usually I have my shoulders fat side down with the meat up and spraying every 15-20 minutes to create that bark. I think I might start doing it like this. So we're gonna get this bad boy wrapped. I'm gonna wrap it. I got enough smoke. I'm gonna wrap it for about another 2 hours. And I was about to whoop up a little sauce. I bought a couple things from the store, but this right here, you see that? Yeah, this right here is gonna do me justice. I tasted it, and it is really good. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna cover the meat side with some butter and a lot of this, and then I'm gonna wrap this baby up and put her to sleep. All right, back in a minute. Is it good?
Yes.
Okay. Let me have one.
I think you have another one.
Yeah, that's what we about to crunch on. I'm about to dip them in some of this. Okay, so here's that honey citrus marinade that I got from Walmart. You see, it's a great value brand, but it's really good. You can see the pepper flakes in there, black pepper. It tastes really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull that meat and I'm gonna put it meat side down on top of all this. Then I'm gonna wrap it up. All right, back in a minute. So here we go. Back outside. Went ahead and pulled that bad boy off. You gotta sit it right up in there. The butter gonna melt when we wrap it up and just absorb all up into this meat and baste it. Basically, we baste them from two sides. We baste them from the bottom up and from the top down with the fat melting. So let's get her wrapped up and put to sleep. All right, back in a minute. All right, so we done. Check this out. You know, we had 6 total hours of cooking time. I did 4 hours of smoke, then I wrapped it for 2 hours. All right, so check this out. I haven't even looked at it yet. I had it wrapped, so we're gonna unveil this bad boy together. Yeah, so here she is. You know, the whole time I was spraying it with this. Yeah, they're discontinuing this from Food for Less. Don't know why. It's really good. So this is what I sprayed and injected this pork with. Is this right here. Right. And then I made a little, I was gonna make a little sauce, but I tried this right here. And this was by itself. It was on point. So I just wrapped it up with a little bit of butter and some of this on there. I didn't put no brown sugar or nothing. I just used that. So let's check out this meat. See what we got. I'm sure it's something good. Woo! Woo! I want to go swimming in that. I think I could reach in there and pull that out, but it's hot. Oh yeah, look at that. That look all right. That, ooh-wee. I gotta get a fork. Hold on. All right, so I flipped this bad boy over, and as you can see, this fork is just okay. That is amazing. Look at that. That's the sandwich worthy right there. I mean, y'all gotta watch me take a bite. I mean, if you don't do that, then what you doing? All right, let's take a bite. Here we go. Nice and sweet. That honey little citrus sauce that I got from Walmart. Got a nice little bit of heat on the back end, but not too much. The kids can eat it. Man. This came out amazing. One of the best pork shoulders I ever made. Alright. It's your boy Keenan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. I got that old TikTok thing going on. Alright. So have a good one. Be back with something new and fresh. One. Alright. So this is what I'm doing with this pork shoulder I smoked. It is the day after. I didn't do nothing with it because we actually left and got to go to the 10th anniversary of the show. Rock 105.3 morning show. Got to celebrate their 10th anniversary with them. So my son put the pork shoulder up, and as you can see, I'm toasting up some panda sauce. Oh yeah, if you ever get a chance to go to a Filipino bakery and get some panda sauce, get some panda sauce. It is a very good roll, nice and sweet. So I'm gonna finish toasting these up, and then we're gonna get this meat on here. Back in a minute. Alright, so here goes this some of this pork shoulder. I chopped it up, and this is about a quarter cup of the juice from the bottom. Yeah. We're just gonna heat this up a little bit. It smells good. It smells like yesterday. And my little electric skillet here. So, I'm going to finish heating this through, and then we're going to top it with some Gouda cheese. Alright, back in a minute. Alright, so I got these bad boys cheesed up. Add in a little bit more juice to it. Oh yeah. We're going to do that. And I'm just going to take this and dome it and cut the fire off and let it do its thizzle. Thug whizzle. Alright. So back in a minute with some sandwiches on the panda sauce. Alright, I had to show this. Okay, this is hot, so please use protection or just be careful. Alright. And yeah. So as you can see, we got that Gouda melted on top of this smoked pork shoulder that I did yesterday. And it's sandwich time. Let me get one together. Alright, it's sandwich time. Yeah. I was so mesmerized by this meat, I didn't realize we was recording. So we're gonna take a little bit here. We're gonna put it on this panda sauce. It's okay if it spills. That's just, you know, what you eat later. We're gonna top this on here. Yeah, we're gonna do this like this. You know, almost like a sloppy Joe. And that came out amazing. Let me set this down. I'm just gonna top it. Now look at that. We got the nice crunch on there. We got bits for later. All right, let's take a bite of my pulled pork slider on panda sauce. Chopped pork. Hey. This is good. The meat was tender yesterday. It turned out amazing, but you know, we was pressed for time, so we had to go and go enjoy the show. But yeah, this is something you can do with it. You know, I'm pretty sure this is not new, but hey, this is what I did. So this is your boy Keenan. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out all my other videos on YouTube. Y'all have a good one. All right, so my wife, she hooked some, this is what she call her shrimp gravy. Okay. Boy, if they had taste and smell-o-vision, you would know what I'm working with right now. So this is what I'm gonna do with it. We're gonna take one of these sliders. Oh yeah, and put that on top of there. Let me just, yeah. And boy, look at that. We're gonna top it. We're gonna eat a shrimp. Let me take a bite. Yeah, I should have did this first. Yeah. All right. That's special, but I had to show. Okay.